If it's the first time to the channel, it simply means that you don't know who am I. My name is Richard Brown of Richard Brown Films. And if it's the first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe.
Oi! Watch ya. Back sperm bed. Fanny, you want to be near me? See? I have some mango for stay. Kitchen in the funny house. Watch ya. Me say, what kind of man this me take up, man? How come stress me out?
Yeah, I just can't feel tired now, babe. I'm tired.
When me give it to you, you never sleep.
Yes, but me eat, I just feel tired.
See why you never at least call me to come and take it out.
Yeah, you have enough work in the house and the house big. I don't want to overwork yourself. When we wake up, I go and take it up.
What me put myself in? What me put myself in? Me even notice you're not even the ring you're not wearing anymore.
You hear me? I say to you now. Me, I'm one man. So why can't go on like a year in the house door? In the relationship, we're married. You're my wife. So you ask me question politely and deal with me like what I deal with you. You ever see me get up on a man and tell about your clot yet? You think me can't tell about your clot and we part and send us some place to pass sun to shine? I can't do that, you know. Me no want your feet, I want to look a soft man you deal with, you know. At the world, me a worried, you know. So me come at this yard here and me hold my rest. Me no want you talk and I give me a nice place, you know. Yeah, miserable place like you know, I'm telling you. You want me left on ya? Or what? Me no understand. You wake me up when the tell you sleep.
But wait. Where's the ring? You're not wearing the ring.
Yo, me one man, you know, I don't feel like that, you know. Me not about no ring right now, you know. Cause now me asleep, you wake me up and tell me this bag of foolish, you know. Yeah, what? I need to go up and go do something, you know. See, shit, you have for birthday, my iron out, because I'm away on the road. You hear me? You must obey your man. So your day in this house you may belong. So, if you want ironing, you ironing. But I go bed now. So I can go up on the road.
You know what me ironing?
Alright. I apologize, right?
Mm-hmm.
Don't sit here a while ago. It's my time, we just get carried away, right? And deal with it a certain way. And I mean, so sorry about that. We are a married couple and we're supposed to try and resolve our problem when we have them instead of, you know what I mean? But the road sometimes stress me out and all these things. And about my ring, gunman hold me up and take care of my hand. That's what I have it, me not have it. So I can't tell the last when I thief and thief and me no choice. So that my life or the ring.
If I am, me feel say you tell me lie. Because me talk to you about money and the ring. Gunman hold you up and take away money and the ring. But they never take you away.
And I like say you're talking about one thing, you know. You pick up everything. You come in and see socks, so you see me tam does so, and you start pick up everything. You start with this. You start say that, you know, like say do one thing at a time. You are do everything one time, babe, and I'm thinking that's the problem. You just nagging, you know. I tell you that, you know, see how money account, when I want to touch. Where is the money them most of the time here? Where do them?
Me save it for rainy day.
No rain a fall, Penny.
You come, you beg me for baby every God almighty night you come. You beg me for baby. So I have to save money. Me have to save money for baby. I must just give baby some no money.
This is ridiculous. I'm not like when you fuck down. I'll carry it. Right?
I must remember the old packet now.
Two things so much there when I was back. That boy, what that man? My time chair that bed, man. That is permanent to the white style of paper you see one on bed. Not have people on some man. You have bed here, but you got to finish that. It's over, yeah? You got it, one word. Thank you. Let's see that you finished with it. Alright, so this one. Sorry. So what are you gonna do today, babe?
Stay at home like always.
You know, no plans?
Like always.
We'll take you out tonight, man. Sorry about the mess on the bed, but you know, say a good woman work is never done. Oh, you want Jaja? You need to rest your reggae. I love for them just no reggae. Alright. You need to confess to reggae. Them will come with them string again. Alright. Rescue reggae. Love for them I try, but right now they're no ready. No need to let the reggae. Babes, come and turn the button this, please. You remember Power Meat? We were selling clothes in that shop of a cousin in country. They have that sexy dress, you know, bumper cock up. They have to, you know, really put in the word in, and you're there for me to do some little light when we're not, you know, seeing eye to eye, you know what I mean? And when we walk down the aisle and we say, I do, I promise you that forever, you know what I mean?
Thanks, steady man.
But I want you see something like you. I see something some my time, you know, make me miserable though. And I know that you tell me say miserable for the first time you start talk, so you know, say that the bargain for.
Exactly, you know what you just sign up for. You come and stress me for.
But me don't say that me not by you, just miserable by birth.
As long as you work with me, I will work with you, you know. I have no problems with that.
And I'm working in you. Me I invest in you. Me I put everything in you all the time.
You think money is everything?
And the money me attack, I put it into you, but it's not coming out. That's my problem.
You're not putting it in properly.
But I'm putting
if you
enough.
Spend the time to put it in properly, you would have stayed in.
I go try. Cause the 4 was something on me. I know that 4 was thing with you. But I will try still. Alright? So come now. Me go here now. Come here now. You don't have to do so.
You know you have to know all the time. You must just be yourself, you know, babes.
Love him.
Make sure.
Alright? So come.
Alright. Call me before you come.
No, wait a while about. Wait a.
I said call me before you come.
Why should I call before I come?
So I can know to prepare your dinner.
Oh, me think somebody go come in and say, you want me know. Say if we man to move out, you not play me now.
Why would I do that when I'm a yard girl?
Make sure. Alright, babe, I'll do that then.
You're quick for you agree to the yard girl part though. Yeah, Candy. How far you reach? lie. You reach down fast, see me soon. I'll go outside and go and wait for you. Alright, goods.
Take time drive now?
Take time drive what?
What make you fear drive so fast?
What make every time you drive is a problem? Every time you drive is a problem, what happened to you? Watch you now. You see how you ring, you're not even wear a ring. And that if you have that shouldn't be the biggest problem. Me, I wear my ring every day. Wear ring there.
You see, same way you deal with the bus.
Me boss?
Drive fast. I saw you go on in a bed. And then you drop asleep and leave me in a problem. And when me I wake you up, you solve the problem, you turn your back. Which that not good. That's why me now wear the ring. You can ask me about wearing.
So because of that you now wear a ring?
Yes, because you not pay me no mind.
So you make a decision already?
I don't really say me make no decision, babe. You're not paying me any attention. You're not nothing. Not even if you touch me, not even if you look for me.
You know how I know? You know what I do for a living?
So since as a music of your wife, make the music, wash, cook and clean for you and sleep with you.
I don't understand you.
You understand? Because what? Yes, music is important. I understand your job is important to us, but you make it look like means nothing. Remember, say we have a relationship going.
Me make it look like there's nothing?
Yes, because you now play a role in a husband and wife role.
Let me tell you something.
I don't understand you.
You see, husband and wife role on one side, you know. We have a partnership.
Thank you,
see?
Jesus.
But you're not partner with me.
Oh, you mean me not partner?
I'm the man of the relationship. You never know that. Say if the man do certain things, a woman's supposed to follow him.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So we have to take it from the point of view if you make it sound like
just
boy.
Give me a minute. You want to do all I talking and when you're wrong, you don't accept it.
Make it talk for.
Oh. Yeah. So true, you always tell me say the Bible say man is the head of the house. Everything you says goes? No.
It's a foolishness. It's a foolishness because at the end of the day, are you me want. You understand me I say? I mean understand say this life for me I take on the music, I mean I have enough time for you. It's kind of rough. And you know, take an ordinary woman to understand the principles. You know what I mean? So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to compromise. I have to compromise with you because I want you. You still want me?
You're right. Because me extraordinary. And you need to know yourself. And you see the bedroom thing? Think about it.
No, you're messing. I not tell you, I not think about everything. But you have to understand, say, the hours that I work, it's crazy. And right, wait. I want to put them back in room. Because the ring mean a lot to me.
Me just go talk to you about the rings. I tell you say a joke me did I make.
A joke did I make?
Yeah, a joke me I make. But you not pay me no mind, man.
You drop off your friend. See? Then look at how we talk. I'll make up. Anything I want. Anything I want.
You say me love you, you know.
No!
It's a wood name the ice cream there.
Alright, come in.
Alright, come on.
Ready?
Yeah, because you wait one.
Now take my time, drive. Here?
Yes.
It's better?
Mm-hmm.
Sure?
Not so slow, but you don't have to go too fast.
Candy, you're welcome. But I'm sorry for how the place look. It might not look too hospitable, but at the best me can do. Me stressed out. 6 months now, me after I'm married, you know, Candy. And the marriage just start go downhill. You know, what else we do? That's how me call you, see. I try to hold it back, Candy. I try to hold it back.
All of we go through problem in our life. We are all women. And we go through difficulties, problems. You understand? Just tell me definitely how I really stress you out.
In the start, it never so alright, you know, but me say, you know what, we're gonna work on things cause marriage I go shake. You can't expect it to be up there all the time. Me clean bathroom, he just come in with his muddy shoes. Mr. Tim say, Fire, you can't come in with the dirty shoes and so all the bathroom mat, me just change the bathroom mat. And In a no time, me change it today and by evening we come the mat door to me say fire, you can't. I'm my house man, you're a big man. I say, alright. Make it go on. Cause I'm the man. In pee, in even lift up the lid. Sometimes it look like he shake off and he shake off on the floor and the lid. And he even flush it. Me talk to him about it. He no go as far as to let me know candy, but he look like that. I just say go. Not even in the bedroom performance now up there. Me really I wonder, Candy. Me really I wonder if he have somebody or are the whole work business that stress him out. Me no know what to do.
Me and friend for years. Me understand every word we come out of your mouth because me experience it. Me been there and done that. Me go through everything. No mind chat me, I'll go through worse than what you go through. You know some day here feel. Whatever you go through with him, you can easily get over it. You understand? Not make him stress you out. Maybe through my artist, him kinda tired. You never know. For me husband I want another one to never say my artist, you know. Sometimes he not pay me no mind. And go on like I say me not exist and the two of we in the bedroom. You understand? And you know the feelings when the feelings come down. You know nothing normal.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? But you know what me do when him gone? When my husband gone, I make sure say I call the yard boy. That is the reason why I get a yard boy in my yard, you know. Because a man supposed to know how to deal with him job. And him allow that to happen, you know. But me not make him know. And what I know see and no leap. So you need to get a yard boy.
Hey!
Make him deal with it proper. You know, say me now wear no ring. Look on them good, whether right or left. Me now wear no ring. Look on it. I decide married finger. Me not have on no ring.
But Candy, you make hair come past me tongue like a while. My friend till me tongue catch here.
How can I say?
Me never know say them they sitting there going with Candy. From what you me realize, you know, say you are get sweeter and sweeter, like you are get younger. You know? And me I say maybe a husband you go and water your garden, but me never know say a yard boy I do it.
Howsy, you know how long he not touch me? What me say the yard boy I do? Me have to go explain myself again.
Me never sign up for this. And me can't be, me realize that me can't be your friend and be such a yammed like that. Bun
no,
time.
you're talking.
Bun time.
No, you're talking.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see your hand.
Lucky.
Let me see the ring.
I take off it blouse cup. Give my ring now wear, cause me not have the man.
Oh, you better know you have sense and not think about when me say. Anyway, me run go down the road. Come. Anytime you tell him, just call me on the phone and tell me when you say, look more here.
You see like when he not so black? When me done burn him. More blacker than your ear.
Yeah, you're a friend for a long time. Anything me say, it work.
Be life, girl.
Try it. Look more.
Watch me.
Good evening. I'm boy there.
Good evening.
I want to have a look for me, so.
You know for a long time, so I don't like you.
Me know you don't like me, but my son are your grand pitney, so you have to like me, whether you like me or not.
Me like my I love my grandson, but that not say me love you or me like you. Me don't love junk, you know.
Me not drunk, come in a drink. But where boy there? You know there? I me come to look for you now.
So where you care for you?
Well, the auntie they said about send something from foreign, but they don't send it yet. So
wait.
So and then me I wait for him to send something from foreign for you.
So auntie we are depend on for my name.
And
then they tell you if you go get pitney.
And them tell me say them are send things to me, never beg them nothing. And them tell
whether
me
you
say
beg them, yes or no, your father, you fi push out effort.
But me try. I'm
Which
trying. Me I try to
in
get
a bar.
which bar? Me no want a bar. Your daughter make me reach a bar. She has stressed me out.
She has she have a reason why.
And you know say you know your daughter go to you know say not good. You know you say you have man. You know say the man in there.
But you know say she did have her man and the man was your best friend, so you never have no right to go put question to her. You are no friend like you know enemy.
Friend like me an enemy.
Of course.
Then what kind of
Because
daughter? Which is why you teach your daughter.
if you can look for your friend, but she worthless to you know.
Like mother, like daughter.
Take your look here. Come on, tell me yard.
So we can't deal with so.
Yeah, man. What me say? Come on, tell me yard.
Bartender. Wagwan. Wagwan, give me a shot of the VX and some coke. The way you look nice and naive there. Jesus Christ. Come like the sun when I shine. Eh? Yeah. You not talk? Why? My teeth are so pretty. You not talk. Like why you more think? Right. Smile, man. Smile.
Hello? Yeah. Where you talk about?
What me I talk about what? You know your advice, you don't know what talk to you because you behind bar and expect me to call you.
Me know who talk to me, so what you say?
What kind of game you have play, girl?
What you talk about? Me don't know what you talk about.
Man, I send money come give you. Give me best friend money come give you. I can't believe you said you breed for him. Till I'll pick me out big.
So who make you go behind bars? If you da listen to me when me did there, you da out here with me, you da breed me and give you much pitney already. But you choose the badness and then lock you up. So what can I do about it?
You don't worry about that. 30 years then give me. Oh, me come out 30 years then give me now. I mean I tell you. Me I come out before the 30 year. I mean I promise you that. Now let me find you and let me find my friend.
You just love chat.
Alright. Cool. Love chat. And for my money. Big now. I saw it's all go on. Alright, Manda. Everything's cool.
You say when me did talk, me I was so good. So good, but no. Me say top is scamming. Top rob people, yeah, water they panic. Me just glad so many police them they running and never me hear them catch. Come with a gun too. You should have listened to me.
No. Just prepare your grave.
And you do want easy life, so me don't know where you can call me. You feel stressed now, come back up yourself.
Girl, you know me love you. You know me love you. I mean give me heart. I'm going to be embarrassed suffer because of you. All of the money spent for you, I will be embarrassed here when we still send money come here foot. You just go open up and breathe for my friend.
Yeah. Sorry, let you call if you talk about before you ask me if me alright, if you pick me alright.
Which pitney? Me now mind no bastard pitney. Listen. Manda, you better come off my phone.
So you hang up. I'm not a migrant away, you know? Hang up.
You alright, you're about wait till I come out. Wait till I come out. Style, man. Can't go style, man, in a prison.
Good evening, mommy.
Good evening, Manda. Oh gosh. You ask me how I saw the picnic. But me have this to tell you, say, your worthless drunkard picnic pa come look for your picnic. And not even a dollar him not care come for your picnic. So me no see reason why he come.
Mommy, you know if you tell me that I'm right now, so only part things just dey on my mind. God not give nobody more than what they can bear, you know, mommy.
Me nah rub in your face, but see there now, our old drunkard, your man best friend, you go have to pick me.
Mommy.
And yes, look here. We are going to say bygones be bygones, but the pitney is still there as a reminder, say, you did go cheat with your man best friend. We no resent the pitney, you know, because our nice little grand pitney. but you have to go do something. You say you go look work and you don't get none. So you have to know what you go do about the baby father. Is it that you have to go carry him to court or something? Because the pitney can't sit down and he can't sit down and look pan. Look pan can't feed him.
Making go and jump, making go and do it thing. You see when the pitney bigger, and he say hungry pitney, he look pan and resent and not do nothing for. Him a go sit and then a play that issue to him.
While the grass is growing, the ass is starving. You know, see it?
Mommy, you ever talk about some holy? Mommy.
So wait, so not for your pitney, so I can't talk to you about the benefit of your pitney. If you're in the list when me talk to you, you wouldn't go get the pitney with one old drunkard.
He never used to stay so, you know to say he never used to stay so. So you not fear behave so. And what you saying? How long you left here so?
Maybe around 15 minutes ago.
Me know if you catch him. Me I go look for him and
So
get the
you
money.
still a meet up?
No, mommy. No, we not meet up. But me know say. Me know he bar when day. So
you
me I
know
go
the
look.
bar in there. So for you, if you go get money for the pitney, you have to go in a bar if you go look for him to get it.
Yeah, that's why me I go. I so come
You
back.
coming like you're worthless just like him.
Mommy man, me so come. Oh, so you want me shame you in there? And they say you want me shame in front of your woman?
When
you
you
come
know,
in
you say bar, you say one bar me there.
You come in my yard. Come look for you, Pitney. Where you carry? Pitney can't breathe. You know me feel when my mother talk to me certain way and they say you can't do nothing. I have money for buy liquor.
I trust you. When you get money from me, tell us nothing now go on. Me not no work from when me try to look around.
You trust what? You don't trust nothing. Remember, say me used to come on as a regular when we used to talk. And I buy you by cash.
Trust this a while ago. Me tell you say next week me pay a fee. Now trust you. I trust you.
This a bartender no trust. Me not fool, me not idiot.
Me not trust you.
You need to go. Me not go bar go trust. Don't do that. Do not do that. You know me too good, so me not nothing about me. So me not trust people goods.
So Amanda, why you excitement for? What?
You need to step up. You need to step up.
But which boy you want me step go? Me cannot do nothing. Me not no work. Nothing on go on. Where you want me step go? You want me step and job?
Look how much work there. Go pick up garbage, go sweep up somewhere, get a little thing and can't come give you pitney.
Good, you don't want your man to pick up garbage.
No, you know me man. You're a pitney father. You know me man. Me not be associate. Care where you can, when you can carry it.
I'm a baby father, but I was a man before. So if me a garbage, me do a garbage day and time there until now. So where you be yourself?
Yeah, try prove what me now. You know, see, my fault though. All what go on my fault, because I should breed for you. Why me breed for you and be my man best friend? God, why make me take out them crosses upon myself? And you not to be these tears so. Because you never used to drink. When me come a bar, you take one drink and we gone. I know you turn full-blown drunkard madman. Whatever set they set you.
From the day me find out say you breed, it stress me out. Me can't even get, it come like a dunghill my life go from your breed. Me don't know what kind of, where you come from with for your crosses self. Eh? And I come and try to go embarrass him on the road.
Before me need breed, me need a crosses, you need good. Everything be alright. All of a sudden when pitney come, you broke, you have this, you have that.
A rum talk, all of them they did rum influence. You
used to find it. The latest things that me used to in it were really good. Me not even beat up myself over this, you know. Coming in an embarrassment when I work with people like hear me mouth. And me come for and I can't tell about the people need money. If you don't want to carry the money, you carry things for your child.
Man, I love my child. And you know me love my child. But they can't come do them excitement here. Me I go take care of my child, but nothing now go on now. And me can't do nothing. So nobody with it.
You need to step up, you know, or else me go dry your through coat, you know. Me I go just pull your through and me no want that.
Manda, just.
Me I talk to you. Me I talk to you and go walk off.
Say if you never be a mother, but dirt you out of right now. Just
dirt.
Better just go on here.
Me I go on, but me go need things. Or less, me I go in a court. Remember, me did tell you that.
Hey, dry now. You can't make a man put on it on your head.
Me a free reggae, rescue reggae. That's what I call the album.
Rescue reggae.
Yeah. Reggae that one place if I really need to get some of it back. You know what I mean? Alright, do that then. Do that and show them back. Alright. Alright, Keezy.
Babes.
What's up?
I'm there. I'm just done eat.
There. Keezy just done talk, you know what I mean? If you go up on the road, come on, build an album, is it? I do a new album.
So you're not care with it?
No man, you know, so wife if die, I don't take care, you don't take care.
No. Mine, you know.
No man, you know, you want this shot me, you know. Never mission I know. I'm gonna say rescue the reggae. The rescue reggae type of reggae the Jamaican if you get back some Grammy, you know what I mean? So I just start more dealing. So right now, I'm gonna push out on the road. I'm just have a meditation first. I have one drum off a car and just talk to a keys a while ago. You know what I mean? Do something different with him. But the world about hear about yet. You know what I mean? So you good though?
Not really.
What's the problem now?
I feel stressed out now. Look how big the house be.
I seem to be stay lonely.
Me want one maid. I need a yard boy because me alone can't sweep about there so and I pin out clothes pan line and then come in here and clean house.
You know, so I was just waiting for you to say want it, you know, because if you don't want it, why get it? We have money, you can deal with that, you know what I mean? So no worry about that. Just tell me, before them there, can them come make you choose them then? Which one you choose?
I want an old lady. No want nobody too young. Come cook. No, because I'm wear short up and nobody in my like a space. And we can't get one regular young, strong man, you know?
For working at the yard?
Yeah, for working at the yard because look a weak feeble man them when they drink their rum, can't chop grass and them something there.
But even now, you see all woman we throw to my salt in the pot and I don't like salt.
No man, we get one proper old man who know to do our work.
Listen, like you better make I'm a mother than I'm a grandmother. You understand?
No.
So if you go get a young green boy, get a young green girl too, that means there'll be no jealousy to them can link up after work or anywhere. You know what I mean? No, you have to have a young boy have match with the young. So you get an old man, you get an old woman too. You get a young boy, you get a young girl too.
Them are going to do their thing.
Alright then, we not go about that to no maid then. We are on the work panic. You have to make a choice, you have a compromise. It's a relationship.
Fire.
Yeah, alright. So you know we go do. You get a young girl as a maid too. She not fit, we don't want I look a good Christian one when not too pretty or whatever.
Christian one.
Christian.
And them a snake under grass. None of them sting me.
But anyway, no worry about that, about the snake business. You get a nice young girl from country where just can cook and clean.
One of the back of bush one.
Yeah. So from back of bush, where now, but you need somebody you can talk to until we get to picnic. No, because if you're alone there, because my time one, you talk to yourself so many times, you know. Man, if I'm mad, I'm mad. But when it's actually lonely.
Where can my sister come to talk to?
Well, bring your sister come. What is your sister now?
She used to take her friend them and now she take mine.
That's her friend them. Your sister, you're different.
If she do it to her friend them, she will do it to me too.
No man. But I think your sister brave enough for that.
And
you don't fight so? Can I say in our family you're a fighter one, you know?
No man, I just calm and simple. I don't love fight. If you trouble me defend myself. So I'm not to defend myself.
But anyway, I gotta go on the road and I will get back to you after I come back. So by tomorrow, we get to put out put it out like write up something, put it on the internet or what? Just keep your phone because technology will everywhere now. We live in a modern age, you don't put it on the light post.
I don't want to carry no thief in that place either.
No, what you do? You send out an audition, you say you're looking for workers, you're looking for somebody, you're looking for a yard boy, you're looking for a house.
Yeah, put in that papers.
Put it on. No, what I'm saying to you, put it on your phone. Put it on Instagram, put it on YouTube. Because them something, listen up. Me a Rasta, I'm in the fast world, so what's going on out there. I said, them things that get to people fast. But I'm gonna do my music now, I put it part the people them there. We put everybody there. Put it in the YouTube, put it on the Instagram. Yo! You Jamal call me and soon come back. Here? Love you, right?
Alright, love you too.
Alright. Yo, where's it now?
It's straight into dear man. One of the ideas we are paying out for where I do. I was going to go knock it.
So we studio. Alright, so what you do? You have page up on black tonight, or we just run out to an over here then, and then we go in and studio afterwards.
Better we do that then, but Monday may I work with about Tuesday man.
No, but hear me I say no. Monday. She say Monday already. Me think say Monday one good day. We'll knock 1 hour, you go back to the way you do differently. What do you think?
Every time I come early and start out, and then boom, guys, straight go do it.
Anything, they will just do. Bam, we just step in it because like we say, a chop, we a chop it. Rescue reggae. So the first time we want to do pan it. Rescue, because I think you need help, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So everything good on your side, though. 10 o'clock. Alright. So you go do it differently?
Yes, man. Oh, man. We are big up Richard and the whole proceed.
Yeah, man. Burn it down to the ground, man. So tomorrow we're going to... Yeah, man. Alright. So... Alright. Burn it down. Burn it down. Burn it down. Burn it down. Ah. Yo, you know something, Kajoma?
Yeah.
What go on?
Yeah, it's pretty general. How things?
Yeah, what go on now? Keys me a link up with you now, because I do an album on the Rescue Reggae. You know, say, head about still. But you can't come sing 1, 2 track on the album, said we, because you know where you go. You know what I mean? Because the reggae there now, and we as Jamaican have to save it. Because you understand, say, the thing change. We have people that build a lot of things and dash a lot of things. We build reggae and look like one, dash away.
True.
So, we didn't plan to go back for the music, but we hear the calling. You know what I mean? I hear the people them balling. So, right now, Babylon will be falling. Yeah, you know what I mean? So, that's the profile. So, just talk to him. So, tomorrow morning, me I go up on the studio. You understand?
Tomorrow.
So, tomorrow.
Me make myself available, man.
Yeah, man. So, what up on the studio tomorrow, I go and knock some reggae music live and direct. That's yeah, man. So, that's the thing, man. I'm on in early. I go up and go check some people.
Alright, man. Let's do so. Let's see.
Hello, Candy.
Yeah.
Him finally agree. Cause me tell him say me I gonna need a maid and a yard boy basically. I told him I needed a young boy. And me tell and a big enough woman. Cause you know say me no want no woman contact me man. But him say him want a young girl for the young boy.
Me not hear what you say so good enough. Me not hear so good. Me I go out there so where phone can pick up better. Me not hear what you say.
Alright, ring me back when you're in a good location.
Wait, me come out of place. Me I'm going on weekly now. What you say?
Yeah, what me I say now, him agree. Remember me that tell us say yesterday, me tell us say me go tell him say me need a maid and a yard boy.
Yes, girl, he agree?
Yes, him agree. So, but me not
sound good, man.
Yeah, but me not too glad we do him agree to, you know, because me did want an old woman and a young boy. Him say no. Him want a young girl for the young boy. So, me just work with it, cause one look a country girl me go hire do.
Go and work with it until you get somebody else.
Yeah.
And you definitely need the person right now. So just go and work with that until you figure out the right person who you need. You understand?
Yeah, man. Cause I can't manage if me have my nails and there's something the clothes them a pop off my nails and remember when me have to go to doctor with you because there's something tear off the whole of my fingernail. Yeah, me want this strong young boy where you know me can deal with cause fire not to perform. So me want him for myself.
Oh.
So later me talk to you cause I look like him a come.
Oh, you need a strong man. Alright, know yourself.
Alright, Candy. Yes, alright. You know, say, me there lie down good. And me say my stomach feel upset. And me run guy window and I vomit.
So that means you want a doctor or what?
Yeah, when you come, you carry one pregnancy test.
What my father every time on vomit, no feel pregnant. You think you're pregnant?
Me not know, but why me not just vomit so me not eat nothing if you run my belly or... Well, still buy something same way.
And some tea until you feel better. Here, can be happy stuff. Here?
Alright.
I'm in the studio. You alright though?
Yeah, man, me alright.
Alright, baby. Love you.
Love you too, babe.
Alright, talk to you soon.
Mm-hmm.
What do you know? Alright? So I'm going. Aggressive door. Chop! Yeah, give me what you want. Thank you. So I want differently.
So what's up?
There's an album I work on now, meditation. You know what I mean? So when I see I too often in my time I know. Because it's a serious mission I'm on some music. But me have to find time for you, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
In the meantime, I go find something for you though. You know what I mean? Because you can't just in a house so. You know what I mean? I don't want you become a mattress. Because I just lay down, and people lay down upon you. You know what I mean? I want you out the road and do something too, right?
Yeah.
Since you do your test, I'm do my test. We start with dash your rubber. So you know, so when I dash your rubber, you know, something different can go on. And for more day, I sleep now. And I check Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi. Now percolate. You know what I mean? Now go on like another department the fish really. You know what I mean? So you have to put in some things from now. We have money here, but money can't too much. You know what I mean? Yeah. So anyway, we just come check you. But I have some things to really press up and down and check something because I do an album, check some backup singer, check some this and check some that. You know what I mean? Getting them started out. Because I want a tour across Europe, across England, across Canada, across America. Because the message have to go out there. You know what I mean? People have to know what I want.
I hope when I go on a tour, you don't forget me though.
Yeah man, you're not about to find me out. You are. I have to go on the road. I have to leave now.
Alright.
But later, may I come on later?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Miss Bev. Oh, hi, Nikki.
Hi.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Well, you really want to talk to you, but 2 minutes and I have to talk to your mother to get through to you. Understand?
Yeah.
I have an issue at home, right? I need a new helper to, take care of the place and so on. Yeah, but because you're a young person, I figure that you might know how this whole social media thing works.
Yeah.
So I'd like to go on TikTok. So where do I start?
Alright, so first you're going to go into the app.
I just downloaded it the other day. I don't really use it, but I
Yeah.
downloaded it so I can go and show up and.
Yeah, realize.
Okay.
Okay, so you're going to see the plus sign at the bottom in between the other options.
Oh, this one?
Yes, you're going to click on it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And there you're going to see a red button, right?
Mm-hmm.
The red button right there.
Yes.
And that's how you're going to create your own content, right?
So it's that easy?
It's very easy.
I never knew. Anyway, sorry, you can go on.
Yes, so basically you're going to click it and, tell them the rundown of everything that you want and, create your own little thing.
Oh, I'm going to need you to help me out still though.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you can hold the phone for me and I do it,
Okay, no problem.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, so you can start now.
Okay, hello my TikTok family. I'm Mrs. Brittany Fire. Mr. Fire's wife who lives over there. I need a nice little young lady as my house help. I need her to cook, wash, and clean. Alright? She needs to be between the ages of 35 to 50. I need her to be very humble and very thoughtful, and I don't need any thieves. So if you're a thief, please do not come, and if you're a joker, please do not come. All right? My address is 13 Cherry Gardens. So how did I do? Did I do okay?
You did very well.
Okay.
Yes.
I look very beautiful, I see.
Yes, yes.
So the whole world is going to see me now.
Yes, everyone is going to see you. It's going on the net.
I hope it's a very lovely young lady. Calm and down to earth.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't want any of them to touch anything. And I don't want any of them to touch my Mr. Fire. Anyways, I'm not going to corrupt your little brain. Thank you very much for the help, you see?
You're welcome.
And tell your mommy that I love her so much. How is she doing though?
She's doing good,
And she got better from her little
Yes,
thing?
she got better, her little home remedy and everything.
Mm-hmm. And how are you doing in school?
I'm doing good. I'm doing great.
Okay. All right, my darling. Thanks again. You hear?
Okay.
Manda, I'm not quarrel, but me go talk to you. You see your life get hard.
That's not a lie.
And you have the baby where you wouldn't done and done answer till you get to this worthless boy where he not think about nothing but pure rum. So you can't sit down so he not help you with the baby. So you have to look something that you can get to take care of yourself and take care of the baby. What you decide to do?
I'm in a work at the country. I'm actually now 1 and 2 supermarket if they want to work again. You don't get none.
But you still can't give up. You still have to try something. If you're that country and if you're there one country and you not get nothing, you go somewhere else. You don't have no decent friend where you can go stay with until you get something.
That's true.
Yeah,
I
man.
look something to man.
Yes, because you must can get something that you can take care of your baby. Because see you end up with the baby and as me say, the man no did it. Me can go help you, help myself and help me send you to school. You end up with baby and me to come now and come take care of you and take care of your baby. Me can't do that.
I'm grateful still, because I'm enough time when they are hungry.
Right.
Are you alone?
Alright. And your sister, well, nothing now go on for me. So me can't help you now. So you have to go out and go try and help yourself and help your baby.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Try again.
I'm going to try and see.
Yeah, man. God will open a way for you.
1 minute, mommy. My phone is here.
Alright, alright.
Hello? Yes, girl. You have your contact and my mother there is about something. What you say? You're pregnant? Again? You could go panta you have. What? You come like a yummy guardian angel. Cause I eat me there, I talk to mother, say me happy look sitting though. So you go send me people, can't you give them the contact? So me can just call them and then me just go. Me go do it right now. The sooner, it better for me. Housekeeping, they just have to clean up and stuff for them. They not pick me. Alright. Me not feel so good to see you pregnant, but me glad to see you pregnant. Because if you're pregnant, me need to get the job of you that take it. Alright. Thank you very much. Mommy!
Yes?
God answer my prayer.
What happened now?
Keisha did forget my work, but you know say I'm pregnant again?
Keisha pregnant again?
Yes, she pregnant again.
So how much this I gonna make now?
I think her fourth pitney now.
Jesus good. So she not hear about contraceptive?
Well, I fear her business that. But the work where she did forget as one housekeeper and the girl.
Yes.
She called it offers it to me.
Okay, God answer your prayer.
Yeah.
Yeah, she don't want nothing.
So me ready now, so me go get ready and go. Then so me just need to call the people before me leave.
Okay, so you're going to do the interview, you know?
Yes.
Alright.
But me I can't me things them in case, because me I pray now. So
Pray,
God will give me.
answer prayer.
Yes.
God answer
Me I
prayer.
pray right through.
Yeah, man. So, me glad to hear, and me I go feel better if you get the job.
Yes, mommy, me I go get it.
Alright.
You know,
Me
Miss
like how you have confidence. Yes. When you go, and if you get you,
yes, mommy.
trouble nothing. Make your hand leave people things, see and blind, ear and there.
Yes.
With two hands, make them come in like they have hearing of them. That means to say, when we say that, that means to say, you know, trouble people things, you know, with teeth, nothing.
Yes, mommy, but me know your teeth
and
good
the
enough.
next thing, hear the next thing, me know your mouth. I mean, know when people are talk to you, you have too much back answer. When the people then talk to you, bite your lip and not say nothing.
Yes, mommy.
Remember your picnic. If you don't remember nothing about me, remember your picnic.
Remember it too, look at me grateful.
Alright. So, God go with you.
We're always making sure we produce good content for you guys. So share them up, put them on your Facebook page, send them on your WhatsApp, put them all over social media so people can know about the channel, because it's important for you guys to share them up. That's your contribution if you can't send monetary contribution. And for those who want to support the movement, love what we're doing, link us up on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, and tell you how you can make a donation so the movement can continue to go. But before I go, I want to say a special thanks to every single person that has gone above and beyond just to make a donation, whether it be through cash, whether it be through kind, whether it be through equipment, because we have been lucky enough. I have talked about it before, but not really in depth. We have been lucky enough to be able to get a camera, which I am superly thankful for that, and also a brand new Mac computer that is faster than any other computer that I have ever used, and a hard drive and some lights and the microphone that is being used to record this. That's one of the things that we have got. So I want to say a special thanks to those two ladies who have gone out of their way just to ensure that they make this wonderful contribution to the movement. And for me, I am humbled, and not only that, but I am not afraid to say thanks and to give props when it is due, because you don't know, give if you can, and there's a lot of people out there that can donate to a worthy cause and they choose not to. So big up the persons who take the time and effort to do so, and also the individuals who no one then link me up and send a little thing through Western Union, or even with today we're lucky enough to receive 2 brand new light stands to put lights on from Navlet Reed, I think. Navlet Reed, right?
No, Michelle.
Michelle?
Mitchell.
Mitchell? Mitchell, what's your name?
Navlet Mitchell.
Navlet Mitchell. Okay, man, that's Navlet Reed. Alright, and we were lucky enough today to get 2 light stands from Navlet Mitchell. Thank you very much. Big up yourself. Continue to do what you're doing. And for all those persons who, as I say, would like to support what we do, please link us up. I don't like to call names, but once you send you something, we want to say thanks. We appreciate it, and just know that you are doing something good and continue to do what you do. Big up on yourself.
Pleasant viewing to all the people out there in the world, you know what I mean? Today, what they are a look upon life and things that we have to give thanks for, you know what I mean? And while giving thanks, we have to know, say, for the good people them, the vision is always to help as much as we can and push forward here on earth, you know what I mean? So it's not a celebration fully yet, but we're not where we started. So as we go along now, we're in the presence of a brilliant young mind, you know what I mean, who pursue our dream in education. And you know, or the education system in Jamaica, education is not free, so it's costing a pretty penny. And circumstances make we don't really have any like to really put the right amount, you know. So out in the world, we just try to reach out to see who they can, you know, help the mission, because the mission is necessary. You have so much evil going around on a daily basis, so much people dying. So if so much people can die, I guess some people can live. You know what I mean? So let's try to do something positive today. Because the campaign I'm on is for a better Jamaica, and with education and willingness to push forward and pursue what you want to pursue on earth, we all have to try enlightening that and strengthen that, you know what I mean? So today is a good news, you know what I mean? There is somebody out here that need help to push forward education. She's not sick or nothing like that, but she need financial backing to pursue. How far are you now in college?
2 years.
2 years left?
Yes.
So there's 2 years left. Much years ago already?
2.
She got 2 years by herself and struggle and buckle it and fight the waters. And she's still a fight. And we see her in the street, I do it. And she sing on the band at night time. And early in the morning, she have run up and down over one school. You know, pick them, it's so vice and still that money they still not make. If you pay a school fee, that show you how Jamaica work, things not so valuable. But when the system is charging you for something, they're gonna charge your arm and a leg. And then it take more than 10 body. Because I'm saying arm and a leg, it's a short that, you know. But when them are said anything them are deal with for you buy from them, at 3 million and 4 million and 5 million to do it. And the real fact of the matter, if you really accumulate like $1 million in Jamaica, yeah, look for 40 years. So the 40 years, we don't really have that. If you deal with now, education is at stake. We want to see if you can get the 2-year tuition fee, you know what I mean? So if you're out there, reach out. So we're going to talk to her a little more, you get a little more information about her, you know what I mean? She's not when I move with them long time, we do it from long time to see it. Yeah, and so you know, somehow no familiar with her face out in the world, you know what I mean? And who no familiar with her. Mama, you tell her name and thing. Tell them your name and thing.
Okay, my name is Carlanda Gordon, and I am currently in UTech, University of Technology. I'm pursuing a degree in quantity surveying. Basically, my task is I price projects. So I work for a client. If, for example, you have a project that you want to get done, in construction, of course, you call me, I would try to arrange for people to come in and give you different prices of what the project can be. And so they send in their tenders, and then we work from that. The one that is convenient to you, that's what we'll go with. So we ensure that we try our best to ensure that you're not being robbed.
So you're like construction police in one sense then?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, because I'm not so bright in them listen there, so me have to talk like how me understand, yeah? So, but it's so interesting, like something we in the field now of Jamaica is being taken over by different set of people. Now call our name. But you know what go, because you don't really understand what's going on here in Jamaica. We can't buy land and things. So with she now having education, maybe she can mediate something for Jamaicans now in terms of when they want land to buy. That's right? Then couldn't talk to you, you can get the land buy and know about the land them there.
We help them to make the process easier. You have less stress, and we just help you to figure it out.
And make it faster.
Right.
Yeah, because some of the time Jamaica think can move so slow, so more people like, you know, we can deal with them issue there. It's good. And it's good for education, be a part of Jamaica now. A time of the rate of how the next thing them is going on. You have like the people them doing illegal stuff, they accumulate wealth and them thing there. So you can't have the side that strengthens so much, and at the end of the day, the good side now get no strength. So members of the good side is out there that trying to do something positive. So you do something positive, you can't sit aside and say, oh, Jamaica gone to the dogs. You have to hold yourself responsible. So if you're not be a part of the solution, you're a part of the problem. And I'm trying to be a part of the solution. What are you trying to be? You know what I mean? I hope you understand what I say now. She want to finish her college degree and she needs financial support to get that done because student loan it only goes so far. And they've been doing the class online, but now soon they are going to go back into the classroom. When you go to the classroom, she's from Westmoreland, and the class is going to be in Kingston.
Right.
So she have to go rent a room, she have to go have money to buy food and them something there. And nobody ask what her parents, and her parents don't have it. Because them grandparents used to work for little and nothing, and it fall long upon them. And me never did it them time, because little and nothing is what mash up Jamaica, you know what I mean? From slavery days until now, we don't see no good pay make and no good pay. So that's a problem with us. Whenever we want to go do the college thing now, we can't do it. And the student loan is another sore in the people them neck. Because once you work and you want to go do the student loan with them, you owe them for years upon years, and it make no sense. Yeah. You understand? Because the work you go and left Jamaica, go do some work and come back. Right. And maybe if you do student loan, you can't go left until you pay up the student loan. I don't know how you go, but it's a so. You understand what I mean? Do they send you foreign when you get student loan?
Well, you have the ability to work and travel.
After you take a student loan?
Right. So like
so you
in
can
the
pay
summer,
back over there.
Right. You can go. So you use your summer. So while you're in university, there's a program that allows you to go abroad and you work and then you come back. And whatever you make while you're abroad, you can use it to, well, if you want to start paying back student loan or you want to use it to survive for the rest of the semester until you get to go again, then that's optional. but you do have the ability.
But I think you have to pay some money to go up on that too. It's
definitely.
Not free.
No, it's not.
So everyone angry them where you go is money.
Right.
And this is what mashing up Jamaica and the crime rates are high. It's all about money. So to fight the good fight, we need some money for her to get our student thing up and running. Right. So the information to contact go there provided on the channel, on the screen. So make the link and let's take it from there. Anything you want to say to them differently that who's watching?
Yes. So as you mentioned before, most times I sing. So I sing at different functions like weddings, birthday parties, sometimes like the Jerk Centers, they're having a special function. Some persons have asked me to sing at funerals before. That one has been interesting. But I do singing, so I definitely sing. I'm a singer. And I have a business page wherein I do decor. So it's like a creative page.
Oh, so you're fighting to survive. So I know that you're on this journey to education, but what about your parents? How are they financially helping you?
Okay, so both of my parents are alive. Let me just say that. However, my mom has been my main source of support. She has always been the one who is trying to send me to school and so on. So, well, I remember like when I was in high school, there was a time when, because she has two of us, me and my brother, and I would have carried lunch to school, you know, and...
That means that she not the money there.
Right.
So, because
but she tries her best.
Once you say carry food to school, that means the money there.
And I'm a foodie, so I'd get a heavy lunch bag.
Yeah. So what kind of work does she do though?
Well, she's not working now. She has a farm. Oh. She rears animals, so chicken and pigs. So
is there money coming out of the farm to send to school?
There's money, but there's not much. There's money for survival. I'm definitely not hungry, and we weren't raised to beg. Like, I don't know how to beg. I don't know how to ask for things, because what she has always taught us is working hard. Once you work hard, you're going to get a reward. That's what she has always instilled. So me having that, I started working while going to school. I started working from early, and then when I went into university, you know, I would have had a little bit more time on my hand than when I was going to sixth form. So I started to work at different jobs, do singing during the night, go back to work in the morning, and then I'm juggling work and school at the same time because the classes are.
So what are you doing now?
So now I'm working at a high school as a lab technician, right? You don't get a lot of money for that job. I know it sounds fancy, but you don't. However, it gives me the chance to go to my classes sometimes, or more than I would have had at a regular 9 to 5.
But you're singing on the beach too?
Right, so I sing on the beach, I sing at some of the villas that you see. You have a lot of them. I sing at Bourbon, I sing at Roots Bamboo, and you know, Vicky Tini, just, you know, you do a night show and they pay you the rate that I normally pay musicians. So I've always been working and going to school because
So what's the problem are you encountering now that they're going to go back to class?
So now that I want to go back to school, I don't have a lot of money. I don't have much saving. So I'm going to definitely have to buy another device. I'm going to have to buy a laptop for school. And I'm going to have to, you pay for boarding, you know, you find food, you pay for transportation to go to school, especially if you haven't gotten a boarding place near to campus. You know, you have to travel to school and so on.
But all that singing and working, doesn't no money, did they save what
It's a little, as I said before, because you have to survive. So you pay to survive. That's basically what I'm doing.
So you still live with mom?
Right. So I live with her, but I help out. And then now I save a little from what I have.
So definitely. So where's the father?
My father is absent.
When you say father absent, because he's a father, you know, I'm looking for my daughter. What do you mean when you say father absent?
For the earlier stages of my life, he was present somewhat, you know, contributing. But after a while, he disappeared, basically. He's just not there. It's my mom. My mom has been doing her best, and I appreciate her for it. And I'm definitely working, you know, because if I'm planning, if it is that you are working in Jamaica, you don't get a good pay unless you have a degree. That's just it. Nothing to it, nothing to sugarcoat it. You have a degree, you get to see money. So when I want to help her, right? I want to make sure that she's comfortable because she has done her best for me.
Yeah, based on the resources she have.
Right.
So that's what it's all about today. She wants to do better for Jamaica. She wants a better Jamaica. So that's what we're fighting for.
Right, and sometimes I also babysit. So I do a little and tutor. I tutor primary school and prep school children. Sometimes I help basic school levels depending on what the parent would like. But I also tutor and I babysit. Whatever it is,
You try to make money.
I just work towards.
But I have to admire the way you go about things because I know of people working at certain massage parlor to do the same thing to send themselves to school. You know what I mean? Are them dating a sugar daddy? But I can tell that you're a Christian based upon... Are you a Christian, right?
I'm a Christian.
Yeah, and you're not married yet, so you're keeping yourself...
No, I'm not.
Yeah, so you're kind of single.
Right.
Yeah, so I can go to ask you about where is your boyfriend to help with somebody build them, you know what I mean? So
My focus is school. I'm trying my best to make sure that I get that part out of the way because having a partner or not, you're still going to need to be able to provide for yourself or you're going to need to be able to help.
Yeah.
Right? And I also have my mom that I'm definitely going to have to take care of and I can't depend on my partner's cash to take care of my mother or other responsibilities that is.
But now you're single now?
Yes.
Alright. So she is a Christian single girl and she don't want no man to not go to school. So when him done, you can't left
Definitely.
because I'm saying you go to college. So you know, so you're doing the right thing for not coming, did enough violence going to Jamaica because of that. A man saying you go to school and when you're done, you want left, you can't left. So, but the money from the singing is not enough.
No, it's not.
And the money from the business page is not enough.
No.
So we're going to provide a link of her performing somewhere. So if you have an event, you have a wedding, and you want your wedding boom bossy, I don't know the word, I just create it. You just put her to it and give her money so that will be a contribution to her tuition.
Right.
You know what I mean?
I do work and go to
she try work to go to school, but the money does not adding up. So that's why we put it on this forum now. So if you're not in Jamaica and you want to assist, you can assist, you know, because each one build one. Don't sit our world and say, boy, Jamaica gone bad. Because there are good things happening here, but it's good things to not be highlighted so easy. It's hard for good to strive. Right. So we got to fight hard for good. Right. All right? Let's make Jamaica a better place. Let's make a better Jamaica. So
they can follow the business
page
on
the business
Instagram.
Page. You're going to see the information.
It's Carly's Creation with K, so that's KARLYS _KREATIONS. Carly's Creation on Instagram.
Alright, so you who's out there, give thanks for what you have and share what you have sometime, you know what I mean? God will bless you. And if you not share, just still bless you, said you, but do the right thing though. You know what I mean? So to put yourself in fear shoes now, knowing that she have the capability of learning certain things in the mind, but the finance is not there. You know what I mean? And we are at Jamaica. Jamaica is such an unforgiving place when it comes to funds. The funds don't follow much here. And everything is for arm and a leg, but they don't pay an arm and a leg here when you work. So you understand? So it's a
giving and not receiving.
Yeah. So it's a work. You work and work and work and work, and you don't see nothing. So now she try to help herself, so she can actually help her family, cause she have your brother and sister and thing, right? So you want to make it so she can help them. So you help she help other people. You know what I mean? So it's like feeding one man and feed the nation. Let's make a good step today. Better Jamaica is what we really want. You know what I mean? So much violence, so much people dying. Let's do something for the living now. Who's living and who's here? Positive vibration. You know what I mean? Give thanks. You know what I mean? For us in our place and Carolanda. You know what I mean? So stay tuned. You know what I mean? And while you're assisting, you'll get updates on whatever is going on, you know what I mean? Because you start it off, could carry it to the end. You understand? Take what you take and you go do what you do.